Namaste. I'm CA Vimal Venu, Chairman of Palghat branch. This year, we had been witnessing a lot of disturbance in the branch activities due to the lockdown caused by the coronavirus, and we could not function as effectively as we had initially planned. But then we could see a lot of changes in terms of the conferences which were on the online platform. There were a lot of online courses and CP seminars on the online platform, and we could see a lot of faculties, expert faculties from across India taking a lot of sessions for the benefit of the all members of the branches. So this has been really a great initiative, and now we have come up with the 52nd Southern India Regional Council Conference, Sigaram, from the 10th of December to the 13th of December. From what we could see from the initial discussions and the promos from the SARC chairman and team, it is going to be a virtual feast, and I'm sure all of you will really enjoy the quality of the technology, and we'll have a great learning session. So we wish all the very best for Sigaram conference and the entire team behind it, especially the SARC chairman, Sri CA DC Jain, and all the SARC members. Thank you.
Warm wishes to all of you. I am C. Anoopji, Chairman of Thrissur branch of SARC. Thrissur is one of the vibrant branches of SARC, as all of you know. Actually, for every SARC conference conducted anywhere in South India, there used to have very good participation from Thrissur. This time, we were all set to have a nice time at Madurai. Unfortunately, things are not so ideal to have a physical conference at a very large scale. However, we decided to conduct virtual seminar for 4 days on going through the topics that we selected and also the list of speakers. Yes, we are going to have one of the best conferences in the recent past in terms of knowledge dissemination. I congratulate our vibrant SARC chairman, CA DC Jain, and his team for the wonderful event. I wish all the very best for the event. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. JICA, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Greetings, one and all. On behalf of the Kollam branch of SARC of ICI, we are here to celebrate the 52nd SARC Regional Conference. Although we are being restricted to the virtual platform, we are actually lucky to have a tech-savvy and capable chairman, Sri DC Jain, to captain us through these tempestuous seas. In fact, he has outdone himself in the selection of topics as well as the selection of speakers. He has even managed to rope in the Honorable Minister for Corporate Affairs and Finance, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, into the conference. I'm sure it has been aptly named as Sigaram because the literal translation means peak or summit, and it's going to be a summit of erudite faculties disseminating knowledge like never before, helping to pave the way ahead for chartered accountants both in service and in practice. With all our hearts, we wish the very best to the dynamic chairman, Sri DC Jain, and all the other parties who has been toiling in the background to make this thing happening. All the very best. Thank you.
Best wishes of the ICA members under Kottayam branch of SARC for the 52nd Regional Conference of SARC. This is going to be Sigaram, the peak, the pinnacle of intellect, domain knowledge, technological command of our members. Also, the pinnacle of performance of talented members. Thank you. JICA, Jai Hind.
Very good morning to all. As a chairman of Kannur branch of SARC of ICAI, I am taking this opportunity to wish all the very best to the 52nd Regional Conference of the SARC of ICAI. Definitely, I am sure that this program will show our professional strength and unity over all challenges. Thank you.
Good evening to all. Today, Members from 45 branches across 6 states joined for the 52nd conference of SIRC, which is formed in 1952. I take this opportunity to extend all the best wishes for this conference. I applaud the whole team who worked tirelessly for its success. Let us sparkle in this cigarette. Thank you.